Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing WriteCream, which is an amazing platform for free AI writing, and you can also create different type of written information in seconds. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get extended free trials on different softwares based on AI and also exclusive rewards and benefits. So make sure to give it a try. Talking about WriteCream, an amazing platform indeed. It is also an all-in-all platform for, like, for example, if you want a chatbot, article writer, paragraph generator, and even Google ad copy. We have a lot of AI based options to try. So you can see YouTube video, topic ideas, whatever you name it, they got it. So if you want to simply try with Chat Genie, click on that, and here you can simply enter your prompt and it will be giving you information. So you can see it is similar to ChatGPT, but it uses some modern AI based models to give you some precise answers. Make sure to try it out. Now, talking about other features, article writer, it is based on different type of information that it is going to be collecting from you, like for example the topic for your articles. Once you type in here your title or topic, it is going to be generating you some information, of course, based on the plan you are currently subscribed to. I currently have free plans, so I might be restricted on some features, but yeah, you got the point right. If you get a better pricing and plan for this site, you will get all of these tools in just one platform. So amazing thing. Make sure to give it a try, WriteCream. And if you like the video, you can head over to the link in the description to access WriteCream and get extended free trails and exclusive benefits. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.